been steadily increasing in our country, Malaysia. Why is that so?
It is mainly due to a phenomenon known as global warming, which is primarily a factor due to greenhouse gas emission. Burning of fossil fuels like coal and oil release large amounts of carbon dioxide into the atmosphere.
These gases trap heat from the sun, which increases the surface temperature of the earth.
Besides, deforestation also causes temperature to rise. Trees absorb carbon dioxide and produce oxygen. When forests are cut down, less carbon dioxide is removed from the atmosphere.
Additionally, deforestation involves burning of trees, which releases more carbon dioxide into the atmosphere. This will increase the temperature of the earth.
Rising temperatures have negative effects on the human body, which can cause a number of health problems, one of them being the increased risk of heat exhaustion, heat stroke, and other heat-related illnesses, particularly in vulnerable populations such as the elderly, children, and those with pre-existing health conditions. Heat stroke can cause confusion, organ damage, shortness of breath, seizures, and even coma. Increasing temperatures can also increase the rate of air pollution, which can trigger respiratory and cardiovascular issues. Not to mention, warmer climates can increase the breeding rate of disease-carrying vectors such as mosquitoes and ticks, leading to the spread of diseases such as malaria, dengue fever, and Lyme's disease.
So, how do we avoid this negative effect of rising temperature? We thought about this question too. In the quest for a sustainable and cost-effective way to cool ourselves during hot and humid days, our invention Frostage offers a better alternative compared to traditional systems such as air conditioning units that are oftentimes costly and unsustainable to the environment.
Air conditioning units consume a significant amount of electricity, especially during hot weather.
This leads to increased amounts of carbon dioxide emissions, which contributes to climate change. Besides that, release heat into the environment when cooling indoor spaces. This will cause urban heat island effect, where cities become significantly warmer than surrounding rural areas. This increase in temperature will cause more cooling to be required and cause a never-ending feedback loop.
This project explores the design, construction, and performance of a DIY air conditioning system, utilizing readily available and recyclable materials alongside basic physics principles that are taught in schools. This system leverages the principle of thermal equilibrium and thermal transfer, using a fan, a cooling medium such as an ice pack, to reduce heat in our homes.
What is thermal equilibrium? Thermal equilibrium is when two objects are in thermal contact. The temperature of the hot object will drop, while the temperature of the cold object will rise, until both objects become the same temperature. When both objects have the same temperature, they are said to be in thermal equilibrium.
When the fan blows air from the environment across the ice packs, as the air passes over the cold ice, the ice pack absorbs heat from the air as it begins to melt. This causes the air to lose some of its heat, effectively lowering the air temperature. The now cooler air is circulated into the room, providing a cooling effect similar to that of an air conditioner.
This homemade unit aims to provide a viable cooling option for small spaces, particularly in regions where conventional air conditioning may be economically or environmentally impractical. Performance metrics, including temperature reduction and cost effectiveness, are evaluated to assess the feasibility and efficiency of the system. The findings suggest that with proper design and implementation, homemade air conditioners can offer a practical solution for localized cooling needs, contributing to broader efforts in energy conservation and sustainable living.
This is the end of our presentation. I hope you enjoyed watching our video. Remember, we are
Shi Xuan,
Emily Lim
Shi Xuan
from SMK Mutiara Rini. Thank you.